question number 4. Solve the equation cot theta tangent theta plus 45 is equal to 7. Angle should be from 0 to 90 degree. We have the identity tangent alpha plus beta is equals to the tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. Also we know that cot of theta is equal to 1 over tangent theta. So we can use these two formula to solve the given equation, which is cot of theta times tangent theta plus 45 is equal to 7, and cot of theta can be written as 1 over tangent of theta times tangent theta plus 45 is means tangent alpha plus beta, so it will be tangent theta plus tangent of 45 over 1 minus tangent of theta times tangent of 45. This one is equal to 7. Tangent of 45 is equal to 1. So further solving, we will have 1 over tangent of theta times tangent of theta plus 1 over 1 minus tangent of theta times 1, which is equal to 7. So we will have tangent of theta plus 1 over tangent times 1 minus tangent of theta, which is equal to 7. After cross multiplication, we will have tangent of theta plus 1 is equal to 7 times tangent of theta minus tangent of square of theta. So we will have tangent of theta plus 1 is equal to 7 tangent of theta minus 7 tangent square of theta. Further solving, we will have 7 tangent square theta plus tangent of theta plus 1 minus 7 tangent of theta equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 7 tangent of square of theta minus 6 tangent of theta plus 1 equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by using the formula, which is tangent of theta is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And in this case, a is equal to 7, b is equal to negative 6, and c is equal to 1. So plugging, we will have negative times negative 6 plus minus under root negative 6 square minus 4 times a, which is 7, and then 1 over 2 times 7. So we will have 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 28 over 14, and this one is equal to 6 plus minus under root 8 over 14. Further solving, we will have 6 plus minus 2 under root 2 over 14, and this one is equal to 3 plus minus under root 2 over 7. So we have the tangent is equal to the 3 plus minus under root 2 over 7. So we have two values of tangent. So it can be written as tangent of theta is equal to 3 plus under root 2 over 7. And on the other side, we will have tangent of theta is equal to 3 minus under root 2 over 7. When we solve, this one will be equal to tangent of theta is equal to 0.6306. And in this case, we will have tangent of theta is equal to the 0.2265. Taking inverse, we will have theta is equal to tangent inverse of 0.6306. So when we solve it, we will have theta is equal to 32.23. And in this case, theta is equal to tangent inverse of 0.2265. So theta is equal to 12.76. So we have calculated the required solution of the equation, and theta is equals to the 32.23 and theta is equals to 12.76. And why we are taking this angle in degrees, not in radian? Because the given range is in degrees. So we will calculate angle in degrees. If the given range in radians, so we will calculate the values of the angle in radian.